Alright, so we want to go out to Illustrator, so let's go ahead and do that. First thing I want to do is I'm going to put some contours in here so we get a little bit more definition. So I'm just going to pick this guy and let's, whoops, contour it. So contour, pick this guy, return up vertically. I've got them set to 0.5. Yours will vary. Hit enter and that'll put the contours in for you. And then what we want to do is make 2D. So I'm going to come in and select this and type make 2D. And I'm going to maintain my source layers and pull the hidden lines, and we'll name this M2.1 and click OK, and it'll start cranking out all those layers, right? And if we zoom out here, you'll have your make 2D over here. So let's make that big. Let's come in here. The lines are hidden. Let's pick these lines right here. Those guys are on the solid contours lines. So let's go ahead and come down here, and let's, instead of making those hidden, let's make those ratas, right? So they'll dash, so we get a better idea. And then we can also come over and let's just turn off our hidden so we can see what's happening with the solid lines. And you'll get some discontinuities. You can come in and kind of clean some things up if they're easy to clean up. Those are actually hidden lines that maybe got left behind, but there are, you're used to probably the inconsistencies here. Some of them are not inconsistencies, some of them are correct, but you can go in and kind of clean them up. You can see one right there that I'm not going to mess with. Some of them the line weight issues will pick up. Let's turn the hidden lines on and turn the visible lines off. And so there's our hidden lines. You can kind of come in and again start to clean some of this up. Like even if they're actually there, it might be better to delete some of these out of here that that maybe are in the way. Let's go ahead and turn this guy back on and turn the hidden off. And you could turn the contours off. These guys are actually individual little pieces that maybe you want to line weight differently. Like maybe all of these get a little lighter line weight, or this gets a darker line weight, and these intermediaries. So I'll just make a new sublayer here in the visible, and I'll call it mid, right? So let's call it mid, and let's make it, I don't know, blue. And over here, let's make that black, right? And then the line weight maybe a 0.25, right? And it'll be continuous. Okay, and so then, see, that's a little funky there. All right, delete that, and then delete that, and delete that. I don't know why this thing is such a mess, but we'll just go in and kind of pick these guys and switch them over to, let's get that one, see if we can get that one. Oh, that's a little overlap, that's all right. And we'll flip that to our new layer, which would be this one, so we have a separate layer to deal with. So I'll just change the object layer to that so you can see that, and we'll see over here, right? If I delete that, does it go away? Yeah. So what you can do is you can just split this and then oops, not that. Nope, I don't want that. Let's just flip this guy to there. Oh no, we want to change it to here. Right, so we've got those separated out. So that's, I think, quite a bit of what you want to bring into. Let's go ahead and turn these guys back on. Turn these guys back on. So we've got all of that, and that's pretty much what you want to take into Illustrator, right? So you can come in and kind of move this guy out of the way. Just do that to make sure that it's, and then move this guy into there. All right, so you've got your guy, and then when we come back, we'll take that guy out to Illustrator and bring it in.